DJI Air 2S, Mavic 2 Pro, head-to-head competition. Coming up next. Bill, a drone reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Picture perfect day, beautiful weather, beautiful evening. I thought it was a beautiful time to go ahead and do a video comparison between the DJI Air 2S and the Mavic 2 Pro. Let's see which one came out better. We're going to roll this clip in its entirety. And just to set this up and to let you know, this is both being shot in 4K 30. Both of them are being shot in 4K 30. I'm using no filters. I'm doing no post-production. So without any further ado, let's get to the comparison. Question of the day: what do you think had the better video, the Mavic 2 Pro or the Air 2S? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.